Hello, we're Unit 97 from North Wales, the Fluffy Dragons, and we're going to the World Scouting Jamboree in North America 2019.
Helo, ydyn ni gael fflwchlydd ydyn ni uned 97 o Ogledd Cymru, a rydym ni yn mynd i'r Jamboree Scout yn Fyd-eang yn Ogledd America, Rhama.
Hi guys, so it's Chris. We've just got up.
Number one down!
One down, well we've actually done two. We're just on the way back down to a minibus to Carriage Dress. See you again soon. And the weather is really nice, so that's why I'm filming. I'm sure we'll be able to film more on the next mountains when the weather's perfect. So hopefully I'll see you then. Bye! Hi guys, so we're on Carriage Dress. The guys are just walking up in front, as you can see. There they are, walking up. So I'll do another clip when we're near the top. Just it's very rocky at the moment, so I just want to be careful with the camera. So yeah, we'll see you near the top. So it's Chris on top of Mount Snowdon. Guys have just literally up there somewhere, and this is the view of Snowdon. It's just on the way behind me. So fantastic trip. Unfortunately, I'm able to get videos from everywhere where I can vlog, the weather where I can. I hope you've enjoyed them. The weather's been a mixture of wet, cold, miserable, And just to top it off, that glorious sunset just right behind me with those views. There, that's what I will say. Thank you very much to everyone who supported the Fluffy Dragons on this walk. You are much appreciated, and yeah, so I look forward to vlogging again soon, if not before January. If not, you will keep an eye on our Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, to find out what adventures we get up to when we're jetting off from Heathrow to West Virginia. See you again soon. See you later.
Thanks for watching, subscribe down below and check out our Instagram, Facebook and Twitter as the Fluffy Dragons.
Diolch am wylio. Os wnaethoch chi mwynhau, cofiwch adael like a gofrestru isod, a checio ni allan ar ein Twitter, Facebook ag Instagram hefyd, fel y ddreigiau fflwplyd. Diolch!